If your bike has pedal assist, you have 3 different chargers. The red one is to charge the bike's battery. Here is how to use it. Plug the charger into any 110V socket. Then choose the right mode, AGM or GL. Next, plug the OSHA cable to the bike's connector. Wait for 3 seconds. Charger should start to show you the voltage, temperature, and amperage. Always check all connections. All connectors should be fully inserted. The silver charger is the inverter to power your refrigerator from a 110-volt socket. Unplug the connector that powers the refrigerator from the battery. Connect the inverter to the same connector. Check the 110 or 220 switch to make sure it's in the right position. For customers in the US, it has to be in 110 volts position. For Europe, 220 volts. Next, plug the inverter to the 110 volt socket. Green indicator should turn on. If your bike has pedal assist, you have a third power adapter, black one. It has a different connector. You can charge your battery while it is installed into the bike or pull it out and charge it separately from the bike. To pull the battery out, you have to use the key for the battery. Don't lose it. Keep the second key in a safe place. Rotate the key to position unlocked and pull out the battery. Plug the charger to 110V socket, plug the charger's connector to the battery. Indicator on the battery can show you the progress. Just press and hold the button as shown in the video.